DIYs to go on the door. I got this idea off of Pinterest. So I'm using 4 of the Dollar Tree garland again. And then I have 4 of the medium-sized wreaths from Dollar Tree. Then I have some Dollar Tree peppermint and red ribbon. I don't think I'm gonna use this, but I got it. Then I got this, the peppermint, the red Merry Christmas, and then the Santa Claus right here, and this peppermint. And all 3 of these were from Dollar General. Then I got the ladders, and this for my last name, and these came from Target Dollar Spot. We're gonna DIY this V into an A because they didn't have a V. So I'm gonna take my popsicle stick and break it in half, paint it white, and voila, we have an A now. That's what we're gonna do for that. So let's get started on our door wreath. Okay, you guys, I was going to use 4 wreaths instead of 3, 1 for each letter. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use 3 wreaths. That way I can finish covering the wreaths with this last little piece. I'm cutting to 3 and cover it, the last little pieces, and call it a day instead of having to go back and buy more garland. And do it that way because the letters are fairly small, as you can see, so I can put like 1 up here and 1 there and it'll be fine. And I think that's what I'm gonna do, put 1 at the top and then 1 at the bottom with 1 of them, and then at the very top I'm gonna put a bow. So let me finish covering this with the garland and I'll be back. Now we on the floor. Excuse all the fallout. I'm trying to figure out which way I want to wrap this ribbon around this thing, these wreaths, but I think I got an idea of how I want to do it. But I'm gonna wrap it around all 3, and yeah, let's see how we can do it. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna take the pea, stick this through the chenille stem. Excuse me. I'm gonna put it through the wreath. Move that back over where it goes. And I'm just gonna tie it, but not too tight because I don't want it to stick up like that or like that. So I'm just gonna tie it on here. That way it'll stay on here. And then fold it down like that so you can't really see it. And bam. Now I did the P down here, and I'm gonna do the A and then the T. Okay, y'all remember the A was a DIY that I did. Remember I turned the B into an A. So that means the little latch thing like everybody else's is like at the top. This is at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue some chenille stem to the back and tie it that way. So I'm just gonna take some chenille stem and glue it on here. Then tie it that way. Just let that sit and dry, and then you gotta be careful, you don't want to burn your hand, but let this dry, and then I'll come back and tie it on there, and I'll show y'all the finish once it's get dry. Okay, y'all, now I got these little bows. I think I got them last year. Well, I know I got them last year, but can't remember exactly where I got them from. But I have a total of 3 of them, and I'm just putting them along the wreath. And you can honestly make these bows. That's what I was going to do, but I thought about it. I'm like, girl, why make them when you already got them? So I went and pulled these out, and now I have 3 of the little cuties with the little bell to go on the wreaths. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I got one on this side already, then I got the other one down here on this side, but then I want this one to go on the opposite side, and I'm just gonna take it. It has the little hooks on the back. I'm just gonna take, excuse the noise from the bell, take the little hook and take it through the wreath and just tie it that way. Like quick and simple. Now, just because I want to show y'all how to do it, it ain't being quick and simple. No, I done did this twice and it was quick and simple. There we go. It's through the wreath. Y'all see this, or y'all too close? I'm sorry. Were y'all too close? When you do it like that. Hopefully you guys can see it and y'all wasn't way too close. I apologize if y'all were. But this is the finish. Now I'm gonna make a little hook using this red, and we're gonna hang it, and I'm gonna show y'all the look. Okay, you guys, so this is the finish of the garland that's going on my front door, and it's our last name, and I think it turned out super cute, and I will post pictures of it at the end of the video so you can see the whole entire thing. Right now it's on the kitchen door because it's dark outside and you guys won't be able to see it, so we just gonna end it right here. And I had to add a chenille stem right here because of course this wasn't gonna fit, So that's how we did it. But this is how it will look on the front door. Of course, it's not going to be all the way hanging like it's hanging now, almost to the bottom of the door. It'll be hanging a little bit higher. But that's the finish. Okay, you guys, this is the wreath on the door. Let me step back so you guys can see the full door, and it turned out super cute. I'm still debating if I want to put a bow up there at the top. I think it would look cute as well. I might go inside and grab one. I got plenty of them, but it turned out so cute. What do you guys think? Comment below if you think it turned out super cute. Thanks for watching. Bye.